Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Are you ready to make the switch to mirrorless but don't want to spend a fortune doing it? Then this is exactly the video you need. Mirrorless cameras have completely taken over the camera market, and the great news is that in 2026, you don't need to spend big money to get your hands on a genuinely excellent mirrorless camera. Whether you're a beginner photographer just starting out, an aspiring vlogger building your first setup, or someone upgrading from a smartphone who wants real image quality, today's budded mirrorless cameras are more capable than ever before. We've done all the research and testing to bring you the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras you can buy right now. From ultra-compact options to vlogging specialists, we've got every type of budget shooter covered. So let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Canon EOS R100. If you want to get into mirrorless photography at the absolute lowest possible price point without buying a used camera, the Canon EOS R100 is where your journey begins. This is Canon's most affordable mirrorless camera currently on the market, and for shooters who are purely focused on photography and need to keep costs as tight as possible, it delivers exactly what you need to get started. The R100 shares the same APS-C sensor borrowed from the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, so despite the entry-level pricing, you're getting genuinely solid image quality with good detail, pleasant colors, and respectable dynamic range for everyday photography. The travel photography score of 7.7 and landscape score of 7.6 are honest reflections of what this sensor is capable of in real-world shooting situations. The body itself is just as compact and portable as the more expensive Canon EOS R50, making it genuinely easy to carry everywhere you go. One of the most compelling arguments for the R100 is its long-term value. Despite being the cheapest camera in Canon's mirrorless lineup, it uses the exact same RF lens mount as Canon's professional-grade full-frame cameras. Every lens you invest in today, whether it's a kit lens, a portrait prime, or a travel zoom, will carry forward completely when you eventually upgrade to a more advanced Canon body. You're buying into one of the most future-proof mirrorless ecosystems on the market at the lowest possible price of entry. The trade-offs are real and worth knowing up front. There is no articulating screen, which makes vlogging and self-recording noticeably more difficult. The 4K video is capped at 24 frames per second with a significant crop, so video creators will find this limiting. The burst rate is slower than the R50, and the overall feature set is deliberately stripped back. If you can stretch your budget even a little, the Canon EOS R50 higher up this list is a significantly better camera. But if the R100 is what your budget allows, it's a genuinely solid and beginner-friendly entry point into Canon's RF mirrorless world. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Next up is the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. If portability is your absolute top priority and you want the most compact budget mirrorless camera on today's list, the OMD EM10 Mark IV is the one for you. This tiny Micro Four Thirds camera packs a genuinely impressive set of features into one of the smallest mirrorless bodies available at any price point, making it perfect for travel photographers, street shooters, and anyone who wants a camera they'll barely notice in their bag. The Micro Four Thirds system has a distinct advantage when it comes to size. Because the sensor is smaller than APS-C, both the camera body and the compatible lenses can be built significantly more compact. The OMD EM10 Mark IV takes full advantage of this. Not only is the body super compact, but the entire MFT lens ecosystem shares that same compact philosophy. You can build out a genuinely capable travel photography kit that fits in a small bag, which is something no APS-C or full-frame system can match at this price. And with a well-established lineup of lenses from Olympus, Panasonic, and third-party manufacturers, there's no shortage of options to choose from. Now here's the feature that genuinely sets the EM10 Mark IV apart from everything else on today's list. It is the only camera here to include in-body image stabilization, IBIS. At the budget end of the market, IBIS is a rare and valuable feature. It helps you capture steadier, sharper handheld shots at slower shutter speeds, particularly useful in dimmer lighting conditions. It also makes handheld video noticeably smoother without any additional accessories. For the price, that's a remarkable capability to have built in. The honest limitations are that the autofocus isn't the quickest or most reliable compared to Canon and Sony options at similar prices, and the ergonomics can feel slightly cramped for shooters with larger hands. But if you want a beautifully compact mirrorless camera with the unique bonus of IBIS at a budget price, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a genuinely special little camera. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Keeping it going with the Sony Alpha 6400. Now, if long-term lens investment and ecosystem flexibility are important to you, listen closely, because the Sony Alpha 6400 makes one of the strongest arguments of any camera on today's list for being the smartest budget mirrorless buy available. While it has been on the market for a few years now, it still holds up impressively well in 2026 and continues to be one of the most recommended entry-level mirrorless cameras available. The big headline here is Sony's E-mount lens ecosystem, one of the largest, most established, and most varied mirrorless lens libraries in the entire camera industry. Whether you're looking for affordable third-party primes, professional Sony G Master Glass, vintage adapted lenses, or budget zoom options, the E-mount has it all. Compared to the Canon RF mount, which has relatively fewer APS-C specific options, the depth and affordability of E-mount lenses is a compelling advantage for budget-conscious shooters who want to build out a serious kit over time. The Alpha 6400 itself is a well-rounded and capable camera. The APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality, with the travel photography score hitting 8.2 and the landscape score at 8.1, both the highest of any camera on today's list. The raw photo score of 7.9 is equally impressive at this price point. The autofocus system, despite the camera's age, remains one of the most effective among entry-level mirrorless options, fast, reliable, and capable of tracking moving subjects with solid consistency that still outperforms many newer competitors at similar prices. The trade-offs to be aware of are a steeper learning curve than the Canon EOS R50. Sony's menu system and ergonomics take a bit more time to get comfortable with for absolute beginners. There's also no in-body image stabilization. But for the image quality, the autofocus performance, and especially the unmatched lens ecosystem, the Sony Alpha 6400 remains a brilliant choice for budget mirrorless shooters who are thinking about the long game. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Sony ZV-E10. And if you're a vlogger, content creator, or anyone who shoots more video than photos, stop what you're doing, because the Sony ZV-E10 was built specifically for you, and it is outstanding at what it does. The vlogging score of 8.7 is the highest of any camera on today's entire list, and it's not even close. This camera is a vlogging specialist from top to bottom. The ZV-E10 uses the same proven APS-C sensor as the Sony Alpha 6400, so you're getting genuinely excellent image quality as your foundation. But where the ZV-E10 differentiates itself is in its creator-first design decisions. The fully articulated screen flips out and faces you while recording, making it effortless to monitor yourself during vlogs and solo content creation. The improved stereo microphone includes a detachable windscreen to reduce wind noise when shooting outdoors, a thoughtful, practical addition that makes a real difference for anyone creating outdoor content. And the whole package sits in an accessible, beginner-friendly body layout that doesn't overwhelm new shooters. On the video side, the ZV-E10 records 4K video up to 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 120 frames per second, giving you genuine creative flexibility, whether you want smooth, high-resolution footage or dramatic slow-motion sequences for your content. The autofocus system is reliable and consistent, keeping you and your subjects sharp throughout recording sessions. The travel photography score of 8.2 and the studio video score of 8.2 show that this camera is genuinely capable beyond just vlogging too. The honest limitations are that there's no viewfinder, which makes it less versatile for traditional photography work, and the camera can struggle with overheating during very long 4K recording sessions. If your budget stretches further, the newer Sony ZV-E10 II offers more advanced video features and a bigger battery, but at a notably higher price. For budget vloggers and content creators who want the best possible mirrorless camera for the money, the Sony ZV-E10 is the definitive choice. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the Canon EOS R50. This is the best budget mirrorless camera you can buy in 2026, and it earns that title by delivering the most complete, well-rounded, and beginner-friendly package of any camera on today's list. The EOS R50 hits a sweet spot of portability, image quality, autofocus performance, video capability, and long-term value that nothing else at this price can match across the board. Let's start with how approachable this camera is. The Canon EOS R50 has been designed with first-time camera buyers firmly in mind. The controls are intuitive, the menus are logical, and the fully automatic mode genuinely takes the guesswork out of photography for beginners who are still learning the basics. But it never feels like a dumbed-down camera, because underneath that accessibility is a genuinely capable imaging system. The APS-C sensor captures excellent image quality with the sport and wildlife photography score of 8.0 and travel photography score of 7.9, demonstrating real versatility across shooting scenarios. The autofocus system is one of the best in its class at this price, with Canon's advanced subject tracking and detection technology keeping moving subjects sharp with impressive reliability. For beginners who are still developing their camera handling instincts, having an autofocus system that works this well is a genuine confidence booster that helps you come home with more keepers. The fully articulated screen is brilliantly practical for vlogging, self-recording, shooting from low angles, and general flexibility in the field. Then there's the video performance, which is where the R50 genuinely surprises. For a budget camera, the video specs are remarkably advanced, uncropped 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second, and the ability to capture 10-bit color internally in its HDR PQ mode. That last feature is something you'd normally only expect from cameras at significantly higher price points. The vlogging score of 7.9 and studio video score of 7.7 back up what the specs suggest. This is a serious budget video camera. And just like the R100, the EOS R50 uses Canon's RF mount, the same lens mount as Canon's professional full-frame cameras. Every lens investment you make today carries forward when you upgrade. That future-proofing combined with everything else this camera offers makes the Canon EOS R50 the smartest budget mirrorless purchase you can make in 2026. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. There you have it, the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras of 2026. Going mirrorless has never been more accessible, and every single camera on today's list proves that you don't need to break the bank to get your hands on a seriously capable modern imaging system. Whether you prioritize ultimate portability, the deepest lens ecosystem, the best vlogging features, or simply the most well-rounded package for the money, there's a perfect budget mirrorless camera on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more camera reviews and buying guides every week. Drop a comment below and let us know which budget mirrorless camera you're considering, or tell us which camera you started your mirrorless journey with. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, all the links to these cameras are in the description below, with the latest pricing and availability. Thanks again for watching, and happy shooting!